Alright, welcome back. So we're kind of picking up on where we left off on a previous video. We have created an array of doubles, just 3 of them. So this is how you create an array for those that are not familiar. So you're just going to create, you have to tell it what type of array it's going to be. So it's going to be a double. You have to use the brackets here that symbolize that it's an array, and you have to name it. So that I just named it ARR. And then we're just saying that it's going to be a new double, and there's going to be 3 locations in that array. And then what I did is I just set it up so we could add those numbers in here. So we have, array locations. So you have ARR here. So the first location we're just going to scan and take in a double. Then we're going to do the next location and a double again, and then a third. So we got 3 locations, and we printed that off. And when we run that real quick, if we just do 3.5, 4.5, and 5.5, you'll see that those are the contents. Okay, so now we're going to add on to this a little bit, and we're going to just add these together. So we're just going to do this within a print statement. And we're just going to say that the sum of these is AR. Oh, you do have to do this. First location ARR. Second location and third location. Oops. There. Oh, I forgot to include that. Take that out there. Okay, so I've got my parentheses here, 2 of them. I only got 1 here at the end, so I need 1 more. And all this is going to do is take those 3 elements and add them together. All right, let's take a look, see how we did. Oops. Oh, forgot the semicolon. So we got our 3 numbers again. And we say that it's going to print the contents of those, and then we're going to go ahead and print the sum of those. And you could do a lot of different things with this. Instead of sum, you could multiply them, and you could take those numbers and multiply them each together. You could say that you're going to subtract one from the other. A lot of different things you can do, because that's what we're doing here, is just adding them. But if we wanted to multiply them, we could do that as well. But this ends up being the sum of those right here. All right. Hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.